The verdict in the controversial rape and murder case of child Asia in Magura is on May 17. The court fixed the date for the announcement of the verdict after presenting arguments at around 11 a.m. Ihsanul Haq Shamaji, the state lawyer and public prosecutor of the Ministry of Home Affairs, said that the testimonies of 29 people, including the plaintiff in the case, have been taken. There were 16 witnesses in the case from 7 Caesar list, of which 12 witnesses have arrested to the C's list in court. On March 5, a child Asia was raped and murdered while visiting her sister's house. On March 13, the child died while undergoing treatment at the Combined Military Hospital in Dhaka. Asia's mother filed a case on March 8. The charge sheet was filed on April 13 and the trial began on April 23rd.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।